Did you know that over 4,000 years ago, one man became so brilliant that people worshipped him as a god? Meet Imhotep, the ultimate genius of ancient Egypt. Around 2630 BC, he served Pharaoh Djoser as architect, doctor, astronomer, and high priest all at once. His greatest achievement? Building the world's first pyramid at Saqqara. This step pyramid still stands today as the oldest stone building on Earth, but that was just the beginning. Imhotep performed brain surgery when most people thought illness came from angry spirits. He wrote medical books that doctors used for 2,000 years. He figured out how long a year really was and created Egypt's calendar. When 7 years of famine struck, his agricultural wisdom saved the kingdom. Here's the incredible part. Imhotep became the only regular person in Egyptian history to be made into a god. Temples were built in his honor. People prayed to him for healing. Even the Greeks connected him to their god of medicine. This ancient African genius accomplished more in one lifetime than most civilizations achieve in centuries.